welcome back to our channels. Today in this video we are going to discuss about how to get Twitch emotes. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to get custom Twitch emotes, you need to level up your Twitch streaming level from a regular streamer to either an affiliate or a partner streamer. To be an affiliate streamer, you need to stream for 8 hours on 7 different days with an average of 3 viewers, all within 30 days. Non-affiliates can also get emotes if follower emotes are uploaded by partners or affiliates. If you subscribe to a channel but don't follow, you cannot get access to those follower emotes as well. So you must be a part of that channel in order to unlock its followers emote. So this way you can simply get Twitch emotes. And later, if you want to approve the Twitch emotes, you must submit the Twitch emotes in 3 sizes: 28 by 28, 56 by 56, or 112 by 112. The images must be in PNG file format and emote must have a transparent background. So this is how you can do these kind of emote things on Twitch. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.